In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new slide to your PowerPoint presentation, guiding you through each step to ensure you're well equipped to enhance your presentation with ease. Whether you're preparing for a big pitch, classroom lesson, or any presentation, adding slides is fundamental to organizing your content effectively. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, we need to get PowerPoint up and running on your computer. If you haven't already opened Microsoft PowerPoint, go ahead and do that now. You'll find it in your Start menu under Microsoft Office, or you might have it pinned to your taskbar or desktop for easy access. Launching PowerPoint will bring you to the opening screen, where you'll begin your journey to add a new slide. Once you've got PowerPoint open, it's time to open your file. On the opening screen, you'll see a list of recent documents. If the presentation you're working on is listed there, simply click on it to open. If not, don't worry, just click on Open Other Presentations at the bottom left, navigate to where your file is saved, and open it from there. This might be on your computer's hard drive, a USB stick, or even in the cloud if you use services like OneDrive or SharePoint. With your presentation file open, you're ready to move to the next step. Look at the ribbon at the top of the PowerPoint window. That's where all the magic happens. You're going to want to focus on the Insert tab for now, so go ahead and click on it. This tab is where PowerPoint keeps all the tools you need to add various types of content to your presentation, including new slides, which is precisely what we're here for. Now you're in the territory where you can start adding to your presentation. In the Insert tab, among various options, you'll find the New Slide button. This button might seem inconspicuous at first glance, but it's your gateway to expanding your presentation. Click on the New Slide button and you'll see a drop-down menu offering different types of slide layouts. PowerPoint provides these layouts to help you maintain consistency throughout your presentation, while also allowing for the flexibility to present your content in numerous ways. Each layout offers a different arrangement of title boxes, text boxes, and content placeholders that can accommodate images, charts, tables, and more. Choosing the right layout for your new slide depends on the type of information you want to present. For instance, if you're looking to introduce a new section of your presentation, you might opt for a title slide or section header. If you want to explain a concept with bullet points, title and content might be your best bet. Take a moment to hover over each layout in the drop-down. PowerPoint provides a brief description of each to help you make your choice. Once you've decided, simply click on the layout you want to use, and PowerPoint will automatically insert the new slide into your presentation. But where does PowerPoint insert this new slide? By default, the new slide is added right after the slide you had selected before clicking New Slide. If you're looking to insert a slide in a specific spot, make sure to select the slide after which you want your new slide to appear before you add it. You can easily rearrange your slides later if needed, but getting it right the first time can save you a step. And just like that, you've added a new slide to your presentation. From here, you can start adding your content to the new slide using the placeholders, or by inserting other content types via the Insert tab. Remember, adding slides is just the beginning. PowerPoint offers a wide array of tools to help you enhance your slides with visuals, animations, and much more, enabling you to create compelling presentations that captivate your audience. Before we wrap up, a couple of quick tips to enhance your PowerPoint productivity. You can add a new slide with the default layout quickly by pressing Ctrl+M on your keyboard. It's a handy shortcut that bypasses the menus entirely, speeding up your workflow when you're in the zone. Also, don't forget to explore PowerPoint's Design Ideas feature for some automatic design suggestions that can make your slides look more professional with little effort on your part. And there you have it, a simple guide on how to add a new slide to your PowerPoint presentation. With this knowledge, you're well on your way to creating a more structured and engaging presentation. Remember, the key to a great presentation is not just the content, but how effectively you organize and present it. So go ahead, give your presentations the structure they need, and make your ideas shine. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.